I took a screenshots of the battleship New Jersey, narration by one of the caretakers on fire control station. In the center of the screen sort of resembles my extra large target designation system. And going more towards the left is a black object, it's solid brass. I have piles of those things. And let's see, I think this was maybe the target designation system in a different configuration. It sure looks like it. Mine is about close to 1,000 pounds. These would weigh in at, I would think, 50 pounds each. The brass handle is used for firing. I got the same brass handle with that turns that around. Okay, well, that's that one. This is operate 16-inch guns. It's a vintage computer system working on cells and motors and vacuum tube technology. Cool, huh? I think this would be I have one of these. He's pointing to a radar system. I have one of these off of HMCS Yukon. And behind his butt, I think, is a gyro system. I believe so. It looks familiar, which I've seen on HMCS Columbia. And the other one over to your left for 16-inch guns. I've seen similar items like that, and I took them apart. Dumb me.